Is AI friend or foe? This question echoes throughout the modern world, sparking a global AI debate. Artificial intelligence, an invisible force impacting our lives, can be viewed friend or an enemy. On one hand, it simplifies tasks and drives innovation. On the other, it threatens employment and personal privacy. The reality probably lies somewhere in the middle. Let's examine real-life AI case study to understand its pros and cons. Consider the firm of healthcare, where AI has brought significant benefits. AI expedites diagnoses and patient care, enhancing efficiency. Picture a hospital where the AI system processes patient records swiftly and accurately. But the integration of AI in healthcare presents challenges too. It might replace human roles like doctors and nurses, and there's a possibility it could have some errors. So, while AI transforms healthcare positively, it also poses some potential threats. The AI paradox is both interesting and complex. AI is capable of revolutionizing healthcare by diagnosing early on and formulating personalized treatment plans. However, it also poses risks to personal privacy and job security. Thus, the challenge lies in harnessing this potent technology for the greater good, while mitigating potential for disruption. AI's potential and risks are somehow similar to fire or electricity, determined by the intentions of those who wield it. Kevin, the founder of Wired magazine, summarizes its AI inclusion in future business strategies, stating, "Take X and add AI." So how can we harness the power of AI effectively? Step 1 is to understand it, know how it operates, its limitations, and potential societal impacts. The next step is to use AI responsibly. We should take AI ethical considerations in mind as privacy, transparency, and bias, as well as its impact on jobs and economy. The final step is staying updated with all the advancements in the AI field. With a well-informed and responsible approach, we can leverage AI to solve complex problems, make better decisions, and save lives. Please subscribe and enable the bell icon to not miss our upcoming videos, and jump straight to Z Point. Don't forget to leave your thoughts and comments. Stay in touch, stay tuned.